Hi everyone, I'm Harsh, project lead Maverick, and today, this late evening, we got news from NLSIO Bangalore, and it very well goes with the saying "वक्त रहता नहीं कहीं टिककर इसकी आदत भी आदमी सी है." We remember back a decade back, the National Law University used to conduct their own entrance examination. This year, due to COVID pandemic, there is a surprise element introduced by NLSIO Bangalore. What is the surprise? Let me take you through this entire segment. That NLSIU this particular day came up with a new altogether admission process with respect to its 5-year program as well as LLM program. Especially concerned about this 5-year program. There is a notice release which provides for all the details for this new admission process required. The background was set. The 5-year program was introduced in this particular notice. The admission process was mentioned that the consortium takes admission to national law universities, 22 national law universities. COVID scene is being discussed, and NLSIU there's this particular issue being raised that if NLSIU is unable to complete admission before the end of September 2020, it will end in a 0 year with no admission. And this is a very serious concern when it comes down to any premier law university. Therefore, the the subcommittee considered all possible options and concluded that a common interest test conducted online at the earliest and with the lowest possible application fee would be fair, transparent, and accessible admission. I'm very, very happy when they introduced this concept of lowest possible application fee. This is an ongoing concern with respect to common law admission test, that it charges very huge amount of money. Then they came up with a revised admission notification for 2020-21. They said that any student who seeks admission to NLS must directly apply to the university and complete NLAT UG 2020 entrance examination. The university will not accept CLAT 2020 score. This is very, very important, very, very important point. So if you are appearing for CLAT 2020 and if you are hoping to go into NLSIU by cracking that particular exam, that has been taken away. The total intake is being mentioned, eligibility of the candidate, no major pointer out there. Online application portal starts today itself, 3rd of September, and closes midnight of 10th September. They have shared the detail, what all has to be submitted. And then what is very important that the application fee is of 150 rupees, and this is very great news. And making the payment can be done till 10th of September 2020. Now let's come down to this particular exam, NLAT 2020, National Law Aptitude Test 2020. The syllabus and the guide will test candidate on 5 subjects. They will be English language, current affairs, including general knowledge, legal reasoning, logical, quantitative. Pretty much the same subjects which are asked which will be asked in CLAT. It will be comprised of 4 general comprehension passage-based exam, which is the pattern for CLAT this year too. Each CGV will be accompanied by 10 questions. We'll have to answer based on the information provided. There will be 40 questions. Similar length होंगे, around 500 word, and the order of difficulty जैसे mock CLAT 2020 के papers आए ऐसे. They are trying to conduct CLAT 2020 before actually CLAT 2020 happens. A lot of preparation made by the kids will somehow be useful, and to some some students have called me and said, "Sir, हमारी preparation redundant हो गई है." It's not the case. The 10 questions that accompany CG passes will have 2 questions each from the 5 subjects. Now this is clearly a new kind of a pattern, and the question paper format they say conducted in English, that is, we know maximum marks 80, 40 question 80 marks. Something again very, very new. MCQ based, that's good. Total duration 45 minutes. 40 question 45 minutes looks to me good. 2 marks per correct answer. Unanswered, even there is a negative marking for unanswered question. And then negative marking for wrong question, that we have already heard about. This is not an open book examination. Candidate may not seek assistance. This is everybody knows of. Candidate will only have one attempt at each question. They will not be able to revisit question. Now this is very much uh, uh, I do not like this particular thing personally, that the students will not be able to revisit a question. They should have been allowed to revisit the question and move to another question. Candidate may not take the assistance of any resource, whether electronic. This is fine. Then a merit list will be prepared, and then admission will be done according to that. Offer of admission payment. Then they mention about the fees, and the, this is the main concern for the kids right now is very near. The exam is very near. Like everybody was preparing for 28th of September, but now it's on 12th. We will try at Toji Maverick to come up with a mock test on this new pattern once we try to go through this uh, notice, and that's all. Fill the form. Everybody wants to go to NLSIO, who is a law school aspirant. All the best, champs.